Good morning, welcome back to Vlogmas. It's done. Vlogmas day 24, we're at the end. This is the final vlog of Vlogmas. And we're celebrating with M&S cheese scones, the only way.
Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Vlogmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear.
So I've actually been, I think I mentioned this briefly, but I've actually been working on videos for my other channel. So after today, there is a video of, non-vlog style videos, other kind of videos. I'm talking a year without alcohol. I talked about my no-buy year, like everything I've learned in my, not no-buy, but my low-buy year, and how I feel after 12 months of that. I've got empties, I've got favorites, I've got a date night get ready with me. We're gonna talk about vision boards. We are gonna talk about my most worn items of 2025. I've been squirreling those videos away over the past week, so you have 7 more videos to come until the end of December. For now, I'm gonna go in. Lee doesn't want his heated up. I don't know what's wrong with him. A warmed up cheese scone from Marks and Spencer's is like premium top tier snack. We've just been to Morrison's to get some last little bits and pieces for Christmas, and now we're gonna go and pick up Milo from football training. Finally give Milo's friend his charger back from a million years ago. And see, I think some of them have got Christmas hats on. Yeah. And on the way back, we're going to go and have a look at some Christmas lights, because there's some houses around here that are really, really done out. And there's one particular little cul-de-sac that it's like everyone's worked together. It's absolutely amazing. So I really wanted to get that on the vlog before the end of Vlogmas. And today is the last day we can do it.
Oh, wow.
There's all people there.
That is so cool. Oh, there's people come round to look at the lights. Oh, they've got music on.
Wow. So all the houses have like combined.
Oh, I've got a little thing there, a little shop, you can go through it.
Wow, that is awesome.
Like Lee said, I think there's actually I don't know if it's a shop, but they've got something in there.
Might be able to go like
It's like a little
through the
grotto.
house.
What, oh my God. That's like my dad's dream.
What, people
Like
coming in?
actually making a full thing that people can walk through. This is this whole street, everyone's made a little bit of effort, but that one little corner up there is incredible.
Yeah, that's the thing that makes it so great. There's a little QR code reader on there.
Driving home for Christmas, yeah.
We went to Morrison's and they had free carrots for Rudolph and bags to put them in. Excellent work, Morrison's. I haven't wrapped anything. It's quite late to be leaving this, but this is how I tend to do things. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash some pony hair. That sounds rude. I'm going to put some batteries in this thing and see if it actually still works. And then I'm going to make some dinner. We're going to watch a Christmas film and I'm going to wrap Isabella's presents. She's beauty and she's grace. Honestly, that was difficult to untangle. It's not my favourite job. Once it's dry, I'm going to show you what it does, because I've put new batteries and this is the best, £1.25 I've ever spent in my life. But right now I'm making some very messy pasta and sauce for tea. I mean, what am I even thinking? Why would I possibly be wearing this while doing this? I spent more time doing this stuff today than anticipated, and so we're rolling into tomorrow and we're going to do real-time Christmas Eve, because it's 1:33 technically on Christmas Eve. Manny is fully asleep. I'm rewatching Palm Royale, but I do have 6 of the 7 videos scheduled, completely ready to go for Twixmas. The plan is by the end of tomorrow I will have everything fully, like everything for Smoke and Matches, everything for YouTube, everything completely scheduled. There's absolutely nothing that needs to be kind of tweaked or done or anything, so I can fully take a week off. That is the plan. Time will tell. But I'm gonna go to bed now. I have some crafty things to do. I still haven't finished that painting that I did. There were little bits that I wanted to do, but I'm going to do some stuff with the kids tomorrow. So maybe I'll finish it then. Milo's going to make a cake. We're going to probably play Harry Potter Cluedo. Oh, and I still didn't wrap any presents. Good morning, good morning. It's Christmas Eve. I set off the coffee maker last night in a bid to like get me out of bed, and that really worked. Right, I've got lots of things out to wrap. That is going to be job one this morning. I just remembered, I forgot to show you yesterday, what this horse does. Unicorn is the proper description of what this creature is. Also, her hair looks so silky and smooth now. Quite a lot of effort went into grooming this horse. Excuse me. Look at this horse. You're not even ready. I would have loved this. It's a disco unicorn. I didn't know it did that. That's amazing. Where is it? Where is the song? It's eluding me. It was a pattern yesterday. Now. What is this horse? If you've seen The American Office, there's a scene, there's like I can't even remember what it is. It's like a unicorn superhero that's like the Christmas toy of the year. And there's a song that says, "My horn will pierce the sky."
Hey, is that Princess Unicorn? I thought they were all sold out.
They are now.
Cool. My horn can pierce the sky.
Painting the box is a work in progress. I've done the top. I'll show you afterwards. I've been wrapping. We've watched The Grinch. It's starting to feel like Christmas. The boys are going upstairs to get ready, and then we're going to pop out to the shops for, I don't know, honestly, like a last minute panic. What if we need something from the shops? We don't need anything from the shops. Although, I did just sell something on Vinted, so I want to go and put that in the lockers. Subway. Milo thinks all his Christmases have come at once because we had 2 Subways in a week. It's his favourite. What was I going to say? On the way to Tesco, which was not bad at all, and they had a brass band on, which is a vibe. We went to drop off my niece's shoes that she left with us the other day, and the carrots that we got from Morrison's. And my brother looked at me like I was crazy for bringing carrots, but you need to bring carrots for the reindeer. She did actually have some reindeer food that she told me she got from nursery, and she was telling me all about Santa, and she is getting for Christmas a cowboy doll and a diddy. Can anyone guess what those are? Milo started his baking. Manny can't keep his legs straight on this. We're going to get a rug for the kitchen because he can't keep his legs straight. You've got to like stand behind him. So he's got something to put his feet on. Otherwise, he's like constantly doing the splits. Perfect. If anyone can recommend a kitchen rug, preferably washable. I think I'm going to have to get one that like you stick down though. Also, don't be worried about, yeah, go for it. Don't be worried about this because it's cleaning day. We're going to make the cake and then we're going to clean.
Were we able to move the whisker? Or is it just...
I mean, not very. Just do it from this side. You've got a bit more space. I know what you mean, it is a little bit in the way. While the cake is making, Milo has opened up his gift that he got for his birthday, and we're going to paint the elves and watch the Christmas Chronicles. I'm pretty pleased with my elf picture so far, but it has been hours. I've been, you know, working a little more on Isabella's little box. I finished this finally. It didn't need loads, but it just needed some finishing details, so I'm going to put that in the frame. I feel like this is going to be really cute. Milo did his like in the style of Teen Titans Go. And I like the idea that once the elves are no longer with us, they're not going to die, but you know, they might go away to another family. We can bring these pictures out as like a memory of the elves with the Christmas decorations. I have to show you Milo's cake before we finish up. But Ella, well, I say Ella wants to do presents. Milo wants to do presents because Ella's allowed to give her presents on Christmas Eve. So everyone's kind of settling in the living room to do that now, but I've got to show you the cake Milo made because it is fantastic. How great is this? It's a marble cake. Absolutely wonderful. I did think it might fit on here, but it doesn't. This doesn't quite fit.
So forget about that. But the cake itself is absolutely wonderful. Cannot wait to eat that after we've had our takeaway.
But that's it. That's it for Christmas Eve. That's it for Vlogmas. Thank you so much for joining me. Like I said in the beginning, I am going to be posting every single day between Christmas Day and New Year's Eve over on my channel. I will link that below if you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about. So I hope to see you over there. Other than that, I am taking an actual week off now. So if I take a little longer to respond to your comments, that's why. Thank you for, joining in this Christmas. It's been great. It's been my favourite Vlogmas so far. Milo's pulling faces behind the camera. And yeah, Merry Christmas.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill.